Talking and working robots seem real to us only through series or movies about the future of fiction. Yet in some respects, new-level robots have been born, which have not yet been put into practice. But that proves a promising future. So today, let's see robots at a new level. Robots on a new level. In 1495, Leonardo da Vinci hand-painted the first prototype of the robot. Due to the limited technical conditions at the time, he could only keep his ideas on the drawing board. In the hundreds of years since, man's imagination of robots has never stopped. But fantasy is not just fantasy anymore. What Leonardo da Vinci did not expect is that more than 500 years later, the robot on his drawings has become a reality. It is amazing that a robot with good reflexes has been created, which can recognize and even take action to prevent human attacks. A robot with a fighting form is gradually built. Surprised yet? It hit back with 2 kicks. It's interesting, isn't it? If a combat robot is born, it is certain that it can replace soldiers on the battlefield. More specifically, it can identify people without harming them. Similarly, it can identify its own teammates without worrying that it will shoot the wrong teammates. It's amazing because it can safely rescue the hostages. It is unthinkable if these robots will replace soldiers or policemen on dangerous missions. Perhaps a soldier would no longer be in danger if a robot replaced him. Oh my gosh, a robot replaces human work. I cannot describe how I feel when I see these robots at work. How do you feel when you see these robots? Please leave your comments below in the comment section. But I'm sure the advent of robots will open up a pinnacle technological future. The highlight of the Mecha robot is the facial expressions that surprise many people. It was a surprise when I learned that the stuntman in the movie Spider-Man is a robot. Are you surprised to see robots on a whole new level? It's great, isn't it? I hope that in the future, robot ideas and inventions will be able to replace humans doing dangerous jobs. Even robots with combat functions will be born. Artificial intelligence has made a great stride to the point where these robots can perform stunts and even communicate with human life. This flying robot is called Leonardo or Leo. This is the first robot to use legs assembled from many joints and propulsion to help the robot balance and perform many complex movements such as bouncing and flying. Hopefully in the future, Leo robots can replace humans to handle dangerous jobs such as inspecting and installing equipment in high-rise buildings, high-voltage pylons, or in the military field, or even domestic help. How do you feel if you have a robot dog in the house? It sounds quite interesting, isn't it? Because it can both keep the house safe and do the work of transporting goods. Maybe even go for a walk with you in the park or at the mall. In addition, the robot dog is also conceived to help clean the house for your family, maybe even in the military field. As we have seen, the future of robots can replace the future we live in, from all areas such as medicine, military, or human life. How do you feel? Please share your opinion below in the comment section. Today's video is over. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive the earliest notifications about my videos. Likes, comments, shares are also the motivation for me to make better videos. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. See you again!